Discipline and hard work on your portfolio are very important for your chances of landing a job as a junior. But there is one other thing. One thing you can start doing even before you create any portfolio projects. It's also something most people overlook: networking. Even if you create an amazing portfolio with 5 or more case studies and really quality projects, just sending it out to recruiters may end up in disappointment. So many people send portfolios out every day that even the good ones can simply slip between the cracks. People may not notice you and your hard work. Here comes networking to the rescue. In this video, I'm going to share 3 sets of tips with you on how to use LinkedIn, Twitter, and how to join our very own networking community. Watch till the end so you won't miss anything. If you're looking for a job, you definitely should start with creating a LinkedIn account. Don't worry, it's free. The platform itself is a bit overwhelming and full of pretty low quality content, but you should definitely have an account there. Start with entering your real name, no nicknames, come on, it's serious. And then pick a photo that looks professional, so no duck faces, no puppy filters, but you don't have to wear a suit either. Just standard photo would be fine. But here is a tip. Human psychology forces us to follow the gaze of people we're looking at. So you can guide the user's focus. If you're looking to the front, the focus is gonna be on your face, in the eyes. But if you're looking to the side, the person is gonna be looking at what you're looking. Use that. So if in your photo you're looking slightly down and in the general direction of your name, it will direct the attention towards it. For cover image, don't go with anything too crazy. A simple gradient or just a solid color with a grid of some of your projects is a great way to start. Here's another tip. If you're getting a lot of scammy messages on LinkedIn, add an emoji before your name. Can be anything, even something very subtle, barely visible. If someone is using a bot service to mass send messages to people, they will assume that emoji is your first name, so instead of hello Michael, they'll say hello emoji. And well, yeah, that way you'll know to ignore the message right away. Also good to fill in all your education, and if you didn't finish some level, don't worry about it, just add it at the current state. Nobody really looks at it too closely, it's just important for it to be there. Same with job experience. If you never worked as a designer, that's okay. But if you worked anywhere before, it's good to add 1 or 2 places just to show you understand how work, wages, and responsibility works, because yeah, this is something that can be new to a lot of people. Don't add too many places though that are not relevant, as it may be confusing to recruiters. 1 or 2 is fine. Then add your skills and try to be as specific as possible. If you're good at research, split it into qualitative, quantitative, and then deeper into user surveys, data analysis, competitive analysis, and so on. The more, the better. With design, you can add UI design, UX design, wireframing, prototyping, whatever you learned in the bootcamp or course that you took. Oh, and don't forget to send me an invite on LinkedIn. I accept all designers and all community members right away. If you finished any of my courses or I ever did a free portfolio review for you and said you were good, reach out to me and show me the proof, and I'll be happy to boost your skills with some thumbs up under each one. That helps, as I'm apparently considered important in that industry on LinkedIn. I have no idea why. But to be fair, if I don't think your work is good enough yet, I can't boost you, but just keep going, keep learning, and I'll be happy to help you as soon as you get there. It's a process, so just be patient. Now, before we get to posting anything, let's move to Twitter for a second. If you don't have an account there, create one, fill in all the fields, and add the same photo and cover image as on LinkedIn. It's important to be consistent between social media sites, because someone can find you on one site, Twitter for example, but need to check your experience all on LinkedIn. Being consistent will help them identify you. It's really important when you're just starting out, so there's no confusion. Networking is sharing both ways. If you need to start somewhere, give me a follow. But of course, just interacting with me or other YouTubers is not really networking. So what you need to do is read the comments under both tweets and LinkedIn posts and find people who are just like you, just beginning their design journey. On LinkedIn, you can join groups. The most popular and best for juniors is called User Experience, obviously, and it's run by our friends from the UX Collective. Then follow these people and see if they posted any of their work. You can do this well before making any of your own projects. Just see what others have done and leave them comments. Try to actually mention that they did well or what they did well or what you think could be improved. But don't be mean. It's not the point of this. Once you do this for a few weeks, you'll start getting friends from all over the world, and when you post your own work, you'll start seeing feedback coming left and right. But to get feedback, you need to first give feedback, lots of it. If you're open to others and naturally curious with a good attitude, you'll create your own mini network of people in no time. Okay, but why? The reason for being out there is visibility. You never know who sees your post. If you post projects consistently, give feedback with thoughtful comments, and if you're generally active and nice, both designers and recruiters will start noticing you. I've heard stories of some recruiters checking out a junior portfolio because they've seen a very intelligent, thoughtful comment under someone else's work. That led them to see what the commenter does themselves. Being active that way is simply creating chances or opportunities for you to get noticed. And if next to all that activity you'll work on your skills daily, make a great portfolio, then it's only a matter of time before your chances of getting a job start growing exponentially. And on top of that, you'll make tons of friends from all over the world. So start now. And if you want to join the community that we've built around this channel, it's a Slack community, send me an email and I'll send you a free Slack invite. We do special events in the community, give feedback on projects, and talk everything design, growth, and life. So thanks for watching this far. Hope you found this video useful, and I believe networking is really crucial for success, because just having good projects with a market that's so saturated is not enough anymore. Networking is easy when you're consistent, so just do it and have fun. Meet new people, and let me know what are your networking stories from LinkedIn or Twitter in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and obviously, have a beautiful day. Want to learn more? Check out this video on how to stand out from other designers and improve your chances of getting the job.